Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video it is exciting because we are going to be drawing for, first of all, we're going to be drawing for the palette tune trivia, and you guys had to endure some singing from me, so you really deserve. Ooh, guys, isn't it pretty? Truly, madly, deeply, a good palette for love month. And guys, this is so pretty. I love this palette. It is a ColourPop palette, which is one of my favorite. I really love the ColourPop formula, but I have recently heard from a creator that she does not like ColourPop, which was very, very shocking to me. So I was on Debbie Noteblock's page, channel, and she was saying how she really does not like ColourPop, which was really, really shocking to me. But look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. You know what? I don't have this, but I think I'm going to get it. I think I'm definitely going to pick this up for myself because I just think I have to, but I'm not going to swatch it. Nope. As bad as I just about can't stand not to, I'm not going to do it because it's not mine. So, let's see though. Don't you want to know whose it is? Yes. Oh, yes. So, I went on the random comment picker and I put in the information. So, for this, all you had to do was leave a comment. You had to leave your best guess, but it didn't have to be right because I never, ever make you guess right. All you have to do is leave the words "enter me," although this person did guess right. And so, I'm going to put the random comment picker up right now. This is for the winner of the palette tune trivia, which you guys guessed so well. It is for Savage Gardens. The song was Savage Gardens, Truly, Madly, Deeply, and that corresponds to the ColourPop beautiful palette from ColourPop. And so we are going to go in. I've got everything in, and we are going to start. Oh goodness, don't get on a Trump roll, but we are going to start the random comment picker right now and see who our winner is. Amanda Gould, that's who our winner is. Oh my goodness. So yeah, let's hop over so I can pin her comment. So it gets to be Craterville next door here in Ohio. So I definitely feel you on that. Please enter me in this giveaway for Truly, Madly, Deeply by ColourPop. I remember being so in love with the Backstreet Boys, and then when Savage Garden came on, I felt like I was cheating on my boys. Okay, great. That is such a cute statement. And so this is Amanda's page. There I am. I have verified that. Congratulations, Amanda Gould. You won the palette. So yes, sweet, sweet, sweetheart. So big congratulations to you for winning the palette and for guessing correctly and for enduring my singing. I really appreciate you. So I just love it whenever someone wins on my channel, and this is a gorgeous palette. So, so you have 48 hours to get in contact with me and let me know what address you would love this winning to be sent to, and I will ship this out to you. So I am so happy for you, and thank you to everyone who put in for this and to everyone who endured that brutal singing of mine. But I love doing the cartoon trivias. I love anything to do with trivia. I don't know why trivia is so fun to me, but I love trivia games, even though I usually don't get anything right. I love it. So yeah. So anyway, let's move on. So the next palette that I have to give away is the iconic London palette. This is a palette that we should be getting in our Boxy Charm base box. And so, yeah, I had an extra one of these palettes. Jess got an extra one. There was a big, huge miscommunication between me and Jess. And so I don't think that she knew that I had gotten an extra one. I don't think that I knew that she had gotten an extra one. Somehow that we forgot to discuss it, or else I would have given mine away whenever we did our Get Ready With Me's. And so she did give hers away, and then I was left holding one. So I put this in my winner announcement of my skincare video. So if you watched to the end, you knew there was a giveaway in there, and the code word was the word possum. Since Jess used the word squirrel, I use the word possum. So yes, I am gonna put the winner up on the screen right now. Okay guys, we are going to be drawing for now the Iconic London Day to Slay palette. So I've changed over the video. This is the URL for that video with the word possum, entering you with the word possum. So we are going to be starting that random comment picker. So let's don't get Trump involved in this. So anyway, no politics on that. So let's hit the start button for this palette. And this is going to Robin Wolf. OMG. Oh my goodness. So Robin Wolf, you have won the Iconic London Day to Slay palette. So baby girl, you are going to be getting this palette. And she was just saying how she has never won anything off of my channel or Jess's channel. And so you cannot say that anymore, girl. There you are. You're popping up on the random comment picker. Can you believe that? Holy moly. So there you go. It says congrats to Dover Girl, because remember this was on the video where Dover Girl had won the skincare. Enjoy your goodies. Enter me, Possum. Love it. Jeannie, you're so generous. I'm sad. I really wanted that skincare basket. Well, there's always another giveaway. You're awesome. Girlfriend, love you so much. Thank you for all your giveaways. So anyway, so now Robin, girlfriend, you have finally won something off of my channel, and now we just got to get you winning something off of Jess's. So you won't be sad that you never win. Okay, so there you go. You never know, even though there's somebody who's never won, and now she's won. So keep on putting in for the giveaways, people. You will eventually win. So yeah, you just got to put in, there was the word possum. She put in possum, and there you go. So let's roll right on back over to the video, and I will pin her comment and let her know underneath there that she is the winner. Oh my goodness, can you believe that? Can you believe that? I couldn't. I was like, oh my gosh. So anyway, I don't know if you guys know Miss Robin, but she's a very good friend of Jess's. So her and Jess exchange friend mail all the time. You have seen Jess open many friend mail boxes from Robin. And so through Jess, I have became friends with Robin. I know her through like, I've never met Robin, but I know her through Instagram. I know her through my channel. She's a very good supporter of mine. She's always watches my videos. She always comments on every one of my videos, and we chat back and forth on Instagram. So she is a very good friend of mine too, and I just really appreciate her so much. But the little joke has been back and forth to Jess and I that she never wins on our channels. So, Robin, you can't say that anymore because I was just stunned. Your name came up, honey, on this one. So, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I love it when really good supporters of my channel end up, the random comment picker just boom, and pick somebody. And so right out of the gate, the first two people that, well, the first person on the first giveaway went right to their channel. I was right there. And then the first person on the Iconic London, I know her, she's a great subscriber, great supporter of my channel. So, I was really happy that I didn't have to, go back through the random comment selector. I love that. So that just makes my world turn around. I love that when that happens. So I appreciate all of you guys for subscribing, for really supporting me. It means the world to me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you would like to, it's really easy. You've just got to hit that subscribe button and then, ding the bell, because that way you'll know whenever I post a new video to my channel, and you don't want to miss a thing because we do a lot of giveaways over here. So you want to be sure that you get in on that. And remember, I just posted today, I've put it over here in the giveaway box already because I've already got it back in its bubble wrap for easy mailing already. And that is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. So be sure that you check out that, because that, and also Jess Gus and I have a dynamic duo giveaway. That means that she's giving the same thing away on her channel as I'm giving away on my channel. So you've got double the chances to win. And so that is for the Morphe Plum Perfect palette or something like that. I don't know. I call it the violet palette, but it's beautiful, and there's a lot of plums, a lot of violets. It's a really nice, it's a 35, it's one of their bigger palettes, so it is the 35 shade palette, but it's beautiful. There's a lot of pretty neutrals in there, and there's a lot of pops of plum and violet shades. So if you would like to have a chance to win that palette, go over and subscribe to Jess and put in Enter Me on her video. Subscribe to me, put in Enter Me on my video, and you've got double the chances to win for that palette. But I am doing a giveaway on the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree. So that is just a perfect red Valentine Day palette. So if you'd like to win something Jeffree Star, then go ahead and put in for that. So if you like today's video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, then it's really easy to do and it's totally free. Just hit that big red subscribe button, and while you're there, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I have so enjoyed being able to do these giveaways for you, and we're going to keep them coming. So be looking out for that. And until next time, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.